Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create paper cut effect using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change the color of this template. So I have selected this template and clicked on color palette option available above. Right here you can select any color as per your requirement. I'm going to select this one. Okay, it's looking nice. And here we will simply go to the elements and will search for shape. Okay, see all, and here you will find some good shapes. I have selected this, and the corner rounding I'm just removing, and the color what I want is white. Okay, because paper is generally of white color, right? And here we are going to increase the size and place it in such manner that it looks nice, right? Okay, it's done. Now what I want is I want a text, add a heading DB. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this of dark red or this color. Okay, sir, what does DB stands for? DB stands for digital Bikana, right? We are going to add some effects to this shape. Okay, drop effect would be fine. You can also increase and decrease the offset and transparency. You can add, you can change the direction as well, right? It is looking nice. Sir, can you make this be of other color? Yeah, okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements, line shadow. Okay, and here from the graphics we have just selected a shadow and we are just going to rotate it a little bit, right? A little bit more, flip it horizontally, again horizontally, sit where I have clicked. Okay, can decrease the transparency if required, right? Let's again change the flip. Yeah, that's looking nice. Let us increase the size. Let us do like this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to simply add a shape, right, to make it look more good. We are just going for a shape. Okay, here is the shape and we are again removing its corner, making it of white color. So what are you doing? Wait for a while and you will come to know what I am doing exactly. Bring this layer to front, bring to front. Okay, and we are going to rotate it more, right? Some more. We can also increase the size of this. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to bring this to front first, so it would be easier for us to send this to back, right? We need to reduce the size as per Let me change the color so that we can do it more properly, right? Let's flip it back, and now what we are going to do is we are going to send this to back, layer, send backward, flip horizontally. Why this is not flipping? Let me do it in such manner. Okay. If you have any issue while working, you can simply zoom it, right? Actually, angles are not set. Okay, we are committing mistake over here. Our angles are not equal, right? Just need to increase this a little bit, and you will come to know what we are trying to do, right? Now our angles are perfect. Okay, so now we will simply change its color to white. Okay, so this is how you can simply create a paper cut effect using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.